When it comes to training your Pitbull, there's a lot of love and effort involved, but even the best intentions can lead to some common mistakes. Today, we'll break down 5 training mistakes every Pitbull owner should avoid to ensure your pup grows into a well-behaved and confident companion. Mistake number 1. Neglecting early socialization. Pitbulls are naturally loyal and affectionate, but failing to expose them to new environments, people, and other dogs early can lead to fear and reactivity later. Start socialization as early as possible. Puppyhood is the perfect time to build their confidence. Mistake number 2. Inconsistent training. Dogs thrive on consistency, and Pitbulls are no exception. If you let your pup jump on the couch one day but scold them the next, you'll only create confusion. Make sure every family member is on the same page about rules and commands. Mistake number 3. Using punishment over positive reinforcement. Pitbulls respond best to love, patience, and rewards. Harsh punishments or yelling can lead to anxiety and distrust. Instead, focus on rewarding good behavior with treats, praise, or playtime. A positive approach will strengthen your bond. Mistake number 4. Skipping mental stimulation. A bored Pitbull is a destructive Pitbull. These dogs are incredibly smart and need mental exercise as much as physical activity. Incorporate puzzle toys, scent games, and obedience challenges into their daily routine to keep their minds sharp. Mistake number 5. Ignoring breed-specific needs. Pitbulls are strong, energetic dogs that need plenty of exercise and structure. A lack of physical activity can lead to pent-up energy and unwanted behaviors. Make sure they get regular walks, playtime, and opportunities to burn off that energy. Avoiding these common pitfalls can make a world of difference in your training journey. Remember, your Pitbull wants to please you. They just need the right guidance to do so. Now, if you're ready to take your Pitbull's training to the next level, we've got something special for you. Our expert design course is packed with tips, techniques, and solutions tailored specifically for Pitbulls. Whether you're starting fresh or dealing with specific challenges, this course will help you unlock your dog's full potential. Click the link below to enroll today and give your Pitbull the life they deserve.